ngayon. Ayan. Araw ng Lunes, tayo ay maglalakad at tayo ay mamamalengke. Ganito ang buhay dito sa Satwa. Ayan. Vlog-vlog muna tayo. Pupuntahan tayo dahil maghahanap tayo ng zipper para sa customer. Ganito ang buhay namin pag kami ay araw ng day off. So ayan, kung gusto mo bumili ng gold, marami ka din nabibili. Marami kang madaling puntahan pag andito ka sa place ng Satwa. Crowded nga lang dito sa Satwa. Crowded nga lang. Pero lahat naman dito sa Satwa meron. Maraming tao na ayaw dito kasi crowded daw. Pero okay lang yun dahil madali mo na mapuntahan. Ayan. Lakad-lakad tayo. Next time na marami lang tao at marami lang sasakyan dahil uwian na ng mga tao. How great thou art, then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. One time guys, gusto kong gumawa ng ganyan. Ayan, very nice. One time, gusto kong gagawa ng ganyan to spend my off day. Pero ang dami ko pa rin ginagawa kapag day off. Diba? Sa pag-exercise, sa pag-YT, sa pag-usap sa mga tao sa YT. No time. Bango-bango naman yun. Kain mais. Ayan, lakad-lakad tayo. Chubby-chubby na. Oh, tingnan mo naman ang aking mukha. Oh. Ang chubby-chubby ng aking mukha. Chubby, chubby. Chubby, sabi nila. Ayan. Ako sabi nila hindi naghihirap dahil chubby. Chubby na aking mukha. Ang hirap mag-diet. Ayan. Punta tayo doon sa binibilhan ko ng zipper kasi kailangan kong pumili para sa customer namin. Kasi nag-order ako sa shop namin na malaki, wala daw. So ngayon, oras ko na para maglakad. Ayan. Dito naman hindi masyadong crowded. Tingnan mo naman ba? Walang sumusunod sa akin. Hindi masyadong crowded dito. Hindi katulad doon sa banda doon. Sobrang dami ng tao. Ayan, mainit pa rin. Mainit pa rin. After sasakyan namin. Dito. Kailangan dito na maglakad kasi hindi naman masyado crowded. Lakad-lakad tayo. Para naman yung mga extra fats natin ay lalayas na. Lalayas na ang ating mga extra fats. Diba? Kailangan natin walking tayo. Mag-walking tayo. Habang Kaya pa. Ganda naman ng mga tela, oh. Magandang gawing damit, 'di ba? Oh, ang gandang design, oh, 'di ba? Ayan, ang gandang design. Ayan, dito yung isang outlet na kung gusto mong bumili ng mga sapatos na magaganda. Maganda rin ang bayad. Ayan. So, mamamasyal tayo sa pinagbibilhan ko ng zipper. Ayan, try natin ang malayas yung sasakyan. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Hi, how are you, my friend?
Good. I want to check this zipper invisible for dress.
Yes, what size? 50 centimeter.
You know dress. It's for evening dress.
How many pieces?
Just one.
See?
Very nice. No, I want more dark.
More dark?
Yes.
It's perfect.
Perfect. What is it?
Perfect.
This is the only?
This one.
No, this is.
Yeah.
This is the only.
This is invisible.
As like I have like this.
This one take. This one.
Which one?
This one. This is exactly same. You see? This is runner.
Runner.
See?
Oh.
Same.
Okay.
Full.
Same.
Full.
I will bring. If it is not the same, I will return.
Okay.
Shahada. How much this?
3.
3? Okay. I need cutter.
Okay.
Because I ordered in our shop, they cannot find. You know, when you take picture, this one, it's different.
After 2 days.
3 dirham plus, where is it, the cutter?
If you
What I want, where is that cutter?
gray we have, but 2 color, no? You have picture in the picture inside. You have color, no? If you want, I will bring one sample is better. You can check. Okay. Hello, Anna. Sample kondu, okay? Yeah, bring.
Mabuti. What is this?
No, if you start, ma'am, maybe after 2 days.
What
Okay.
is this?
First beads one is finished after 2 days. Tomorrow after tomorrow. Then I will start another one. Okay. No, gloves I will do it, but if you have stretch material, it's better for you. If you give me exactly size, what size you need, I will do it.
You don't have much customer
Okay.
today. It's not crowded
Okay.
here.
Hello. When you bring the crystal? Hello, lavish mein order. Tomorrow? Okay. No problem. Okay. Okay. Tatlo.
Yeah, I don't have coins. You have nipper? Yes, for the
Cutting.
yes.
I have.
How much?
लिखो big या small big या small
Huh?
दोनों लिखो
How much?
लिखो
We have five dirham. Thread cutter.
yes sir
Thread cutter, show me.
Show me, yes.
ऐसा share वाला बटन है
Manipis makapal malit. Malaki. We have
Why
three sizes.
why manipis, malaki, maliit?
We have 3 sizes.
ये black चाहिए white भी चाहिए
हाँ white, हाँ जाम दोनों ले लो.
sure
Sure my friend. White है 4-5 पीस. कस्टमर आता है लेकर जाता है 2-3 कस्टमर है.
Dito ako sa bilihan. Yan.
Hello. Hello.
Ayan. Hello mga friendship.
Yes, my
Ayan.
friend.
Ayan. Okay lang. I will put in my blog in YouTube.
This is 3 dirham.
Yes. Bye-bye. See you next time.